So this will be, this presentation is going to, Dave is going to present this next presentation. He is now grade 8 student, and he is accepted in the TOPS program. So he will go with Prapti, Rihanna and Smita, the same school. Okay, we'll see that what he is doing. Start, Deb.
Okay. So I know everyone's kind of tired, so I'll try and make it as short as possible. So this is like some history of the universe. So there are multiple theories as to how the universe was created or began. I'll be focusing on like a more scientific oriented theory rather than religious cosmology or creationism. So the creation of the universe, the Big Bang. As said before, I'll be focusing on the Big Bang theory. Basically, from nothing, the universe started materializing. We don't know any events before this. It started smaller than an. Sorry.
The speaker is off, video off, why?
Yeah, sorry, just something. Okay. So basically, the universe started smaller than an atom.
Nothing is seen, nothing we can see. Screen share.
Screen share.
God damn mother yakin. God damn it. God damn man.
What is that? 1 minute, Deb. Who is that?
Oh.
Who is that? One minute. Did you notice any voice? Hello, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So they pretty much kind of worry. What is that? I don't see anyone in this meeting. Okay, Deb, start.
All right. So like it started smaller than an atom, but then it started expanding to like the size of a football. So this expansion is called rapid inflation. So the formation of matter. So this takes place 1 second after the Big Bang. There were small, tiny particles of matter. These really small particles mostly crashed into each other and vanished, but the leftover small particles build up to form larger particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. As we know, these are the fundamental particles that make up everything we know. The first atoms. So 300,000 years after the universe began, it cooled to a point where the fundamental particles could start making the first elements. The first elements were hydrogen and helium here. And hydrogen clouds began to form. And later from stars, these more elements would come from. These clouds also like filled the universe. So the formation of stars and galaxies. So gravity starts to pull thick areas of the hydrogen clouds together, and this process heats their cores. When these cores become heated enough, it triggers a nuclear reaction, which gave birth to stars. These stars start to cluster by the billions and in vast whirlpools called galaxies. Formation of the Milky Way. So the Milky Way began as a spherical cloud of gas called the protogalaxy right here. And it was formed a billion years ago with hundreds of billions of stars. Our solar system resides in the Milky Way, so around here. Solar system. Our solar system. At the center of our solar system, our sun, which was formed 4.5 billion years ago. 60 million years later, our Earth begins to form. In our planet's early years, Earth was faced with heavy bombardment by comets and asteroids that were filled with water crystals, and these will soon create the Earth's oceans. Life on Earth. So life on Earth was believed to begin 4.1 billion years ago and only hosted like tiny single-celled organisms in the oceans, and they'd be left for 3.5 billion years. Animal life on Earth. Animal life on Earth began 600 million years ago. The earliest animals were fish, insects, and reptiles. 200 million years later, mammals joined. Another prominent species were the dinosaurs, which came about around 240 million years ago and went extinct 65 million years ago. So these are some early mammals and early dinosaurs. Creation of humans. So early humans 4 million years ago started to learn how to walk. 3 million years ago, they started to make tools. 1.5 million years ago, they learned how to make fire. And 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, like modern humans, started walking the earth. So these are when they learn how to make fire, and these are modern humans. Yeah, and that's basically my presentation. But we could like watch this video that kind of like puts a lot of it together.
Are you presenting the video?
Yeah.
Is that long?
No, I'm just gonna present to a point.
Mm-hmm. We cannot see that much. Okay. Anyway, I have question, Baba. It's not necessary now.
All right.
So the question I actually asked Dev to do that one. He was a little bit interested. At the same time, do you know that when and how the universe created, as science says? So when the Big Bang started, who wants to say?